So this is a quick video of the Black Gap Road in Big Bend National Park. We were there over the March break and beautiful weather, awesome temperatures. Just finished putting in a Dobinson's IMS internal monotube suspension system into the 4Runner that we've got, a 2007 4Runner. And we're just starting the Black Gap Road right now, and it doesn't look like it looks like I've got my camera at an angle. That's actually the slant of the road. So we're just navigating the very beginning part of the trail. Came around a corner, hit a little puddle section where there's a spring. I think it's called Glen Springs. That's the side we started from, coming in from Glen Springs. And you just swing around that corner, and then bang, you're off camber, and you've got this big fallout that you're going to see at the end after Michelle just gets through this section here. All these big rocks placed in there as the road's been washed out in that little corner. So we're just navigating, going through here, and then through the next little off-camber section. And it wasn't actually that long ago that I saw another 4Runner. Somebody had gone up too high to avoid this big ravine there on the left, and they tipped over. So we're just making sure that wasn't going to happen here. Got about a 5-inch lift in here after putting that Dobinson system in, because I think the original X-ray system had really crapped out on us. So we got a pretty good lift on this. And once we get back, we're back now, but I'm going to be putting some skid plates in, and I'm building some front and rear bumpers. So anyways, we're just going through the system, or through the road here, and I'll just shut up and you guys can watch the route Michelle's driving. She's got a lot of experience for off-roading and four-wheeling. So she's going to move through this whole section in here. We're going to end it at the steps section. So enjoy. Took the front sway bar right out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you good?
You're fine.
Yeah, no, you got lots of clear road. Oh, I wouldn't say road. Hills up.
to engage the locking differential on that one, or we weren't going to make it up.